For me, HR is all about people management. I think any business needs to be managed well, and the people are the key part of the organization. And being a social butterfly, it massively helps. All my experience at Cardiff Med has shaped my career, and it's now helping me getting a secure role in a big firm like Ashton Gate. It's really exciting to be able to put theory I learned at university in my actual role in my professional career. The main thing that attracted me about the course was the CIPD accreditation, also this course structure, because a lot of modules do interlink with what I currently do at my role. Good example would be the recruitment and talent management and employee relations, which I actually currently use in my daily role. My time at Cardiff Met was a game changer when it came to securing placements after graduating. The main reason was Cardiff Met having a lot of connections with the business world and the skills I developed on the go. My advice for anyone that's looking to study HR at Cardiff Met would be to gain as much as practical experience, because this not only would help you shape your career path, but also would give you the experience to be more confident when you step up in the professional world.